Parts of a flowering plant. In this picture, we can see different parts of a flowering plant like root, stem, leaf, flower, fruits, etc. Root system. The parts of the plant which occur below the surface of the soil form the root system. Stem. The stem is generally the aerial part of the plant. Stem bears leaves, buds, flowers and fruits. Node. The point on the stem from which the leaf arises is called node. Leaf. Leaf absorbs sunlight which gives energy through the process of photosynthesis for the plants to grow, releases moisture and oxygen. Flower is a specially modified shoot. Flowers exhibit wide variation in size, shape, color and arrangement of floral parts. Roots. Fruits protect the seeds until they are ready for dispersal. It is a ripened ovary in which the seeds are enclosed. Fruits are a source of sugars, organic acids, vitamins and minerals, etc. Seeds. Seeds produce more plants to ensure survival of the species. The dispersal of the fruits and seeds is affected by natural agents such as wind, water and animals including human beings. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.